What's good, everybody? So today's quick bathroom and kitchen remodel. I'm going to show you a really cool way to install a soap dispenser. It's got pretty much unlimited dispensing. And make sure you check out our interactive flipbook where you find tools and renovation gadgets for any job you may have. Look in the description for the link. So on this video, we're going to install this stainless steel soap dispenser with a long tube that connects to a bottle, so you no longer have to refill it every month. The old way of refilling it is to get the plastic bottle, screw at the bottom, so that would be underneath the sink, and then anytime you need to change the soap, you lift this part up, you pour the soap in, and about every month and a half you would have to do that. With this tube, you no longer have to do that. The long tube that you attach to a giant soap container under the sink. It's an extra 10-15 bucks, but I highly recommend it if you don't want to be swapping out your soap every month or so. We're gonna put this through the top and then put the gasket and this underneath the sink to tighten it up. And then we're gonna feed the tube through. So let's do that first. Take this and tighten this underneath. Make sure it's nice and solid. Next, feed the tube through. So we're gonna do it from underneath. And we're gonna take this, insert it into your tube all the way to the bottom. There you go. So the soap. And now we're gonna take this and then just jam it in. That's going to create a vacuum seal, so when you pump it, the soap is just going to come out, and then you can just place this pretty much anywhere you want under the sink, like that, and that's going to flow as long as there's soap in the bottom. The fastest way to get the liquid from there into the tube is by siphoning. So and then we attach it to the bottom right here. Sure, it goes all the way to the top. Like that.